A subquery in a make-table query. We can use a subquery in the make-table query to get the data to be inserted into the new table. This example shows how to use a subquery in a make-table query to create a new table containing data for sales history for Midwest region. In this query, a subquery is used in the where clause. The subquery returns the order ID of orders which were placed by customers in the Midwest region. Then an in operator is used to filter those records from the orders table and insert them into the new table. Run the query. A new table sales history Midwest is created and orders from customers in the Midwest region are inserted in the table. A subquery in an append query. We can use a subquery in the append query in the where clause to filter records that need to be updated. The insert into statement uses the data returned from the subquery to append into the table. For example, we have a sales history table which stores the customer name, phone, order date, order total, and sales rep. At the end of the day, sales history is appended to this table for all the orders received during the day. Use this select statement to return the sales history for today's orders. Run the query. This is the data we want to append into sales history table. Add the insert into clause before the query to insert the result of the query into the sales history table. We need to explicitly name the columns of the table into which we are inserting. The columns in the select list must be in the same order as the columns in the table. We omitted the column history ID to allow the database to choose the next value since it is an auto number field. Run the query. New records are added to the sales history table. If we run this query again on the same day, the records with the same orders are inserted again. To prevent this, add a subquery to the insert statement to see if a sales history with the same order ID already exists. Run the query. No new records are added. Subquery in an update query. This query uses a subquery in the where clause to update the salary of employees in the development department in the East Division. The subquery returns departments in the East Division and only employees from that departments are updated. Run the query. Salaries of employees in the East Division Development Department are updated. A subquery in a delete query. For example, to delete orders from sales history which exists in the sales history Midwest, use a subquery in the delete query. With the delete statement, subqueries can be used only inside a where clause. The subquery returns the orders in the sales history Midwest. Then use the in operator to filter the records that should be deleted from the sales history table. Run the query. Selected records are deleted from the sales history table. To download example access file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.